Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley Lundy here at Guaranty RV, and today we are going to do a quick walkthrough of a recent arrival. This is a 2015 Itasca Suncruiser 38Q model. We actually sold this one here brand new and then recently reacquired it. It is still in excellent condition. It has under 15,000 miles still, and we are going to go ahead and take a look inside now. Immediately upon stepping inside, we have our front cockpit area, two reclining chairs. These are going to spin around for you and be recliners. Right in part of your living room. This one has a fantastic living room. You have a fireplace with your TV above it, as well as another chair with a footstool, and then a full-length sofa that is actually a hide-a-bed. So you can fit a lot of people between the chair, the two front recliners, the sofa, and then even our extending pull-out table and chairs here. This option is going to give you a bit more counter space and drawers for storage than you would get with a booth. And of course it's all connected to our huge front living room. Further back we have our kitchen. This is a larger kitchen than normal as well. This model is 39 feet 1 inch long and has opposing slides for the living room and kitchen area. So it's very spacious. You have your sink, and right next to that you're going to have extra counter space that folds up. It's always a great option to have. And this one does have a full-size residential refrigerator, freezer on the bottom, and instead of an older style propane oven, this one gives you storage in that space, and instead you're going to have a Whirlpool convection oven microwave combo. Further back we are going to have our bathroom, good size, shower on one side, toilet on the other side, and then we have our main bedroom. This one is already fully equipped with a stackable washer and dryer and a TV and a very large closet. So if you're looking for closet space, this is a great layout. And then this is also going to have our third slide where the bed is at. So it opens up wide again, giving you plenty of space to walk around. Just very nice cozy bedroom. And as you can see, you have a straight shot all the way to the front, lots of light with all of these windows. Thank you so much for visiting us and watching this walkthrough of our 2015 Suncruiser 38Q. Again, my name is Ashley here at Guaranty RV, and if you'd like to stop on by and take a look at this or any of our other models, please do so. You can also reach me directly, call or text anytime at 541-337-2387 with any other questions. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.